primary demand is no school in April, followed with a lot of flaws in the NEP which are mentioned in there.
सदा सरकार सांगता जावं चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ जे मिनिस्टर जेन्ना they go for some function in schools, बारीक आयकून आसतले तुम्ही सदां एक तांचे स्टँडर्ड सेंटेन्स इट कम्स फ्रॉम द माउथ भुरग्यांक फोन यू आर द फ्युचर, यू आर द फ्युचर. आणि ती भुरगीं बाबडी वाडटात 10th जाली 12th जाली yes we are the future and the future of the future is being jeopardized by ill policies of this government. आपणाच्या भुरग्यांचो फ्युचर सेक्युअर करता and who are these people to decide the future of our children? पण आम्ही मांडल्या. one of the speakers said म्हाका दिसता प्रतिमा बायनूच म्हणले आमी वत जो बोर्ड हाडलो ह्या बोर्डांसान आमी शिकून वाडून खंय ना खंय आमी पावले आमी पोटाक लागले अशें म्हणपाचें. आमी पोटाक लागले आमी आमच्या पांयाचेर उबे रावले. Now some of the people in this government I can tell you had failed. They had failed in the 12th standard. I have the record. Dempe Collegein 12th तक 3 सब्जेक्टांनी कोण फेल जाल्लो, not 1 and 2, 3 सब्जेक्टांनी 12th तक फेल जाल्लो तोय आमचे कडेन इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा. Today they are deciding our future. Sad. I only want to promise you कि वो memorandum पळय दिला I will ensure it reaches the Education Minister of India. Yes. And I will communicate that with Ms. Cecil. ताका रोखडो कित्याक 4 दीस उरल्यात आमचे of Parliament session, Tuesday to Friday. So within that period, हांव हे memorandum दिवन I will communicate back to you whatever is possible and I will fight. I am ready.